Welcome to Pipex.ai, India's trusted B2B marketplace for industrial products. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a professional invoice in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Pipex.ai account. From the left navigation menu, go to Billing and Quotes and select Invoice. To create a new invoice, click the Create New Invoice button. Now begin by selecting or adding your customer details. If the customer already exists, simply search and select them. Otherwise, you can add a new customer by entering their business information. Now enter the details such as payment terms, pro forma date, validity period, and delivery time. Now add the products you want to include in the invoice. You can select products from your catalog or enter them manually. Specify the quantity, unit price, type or unit of measurement such as pieces, kilograms, grams, centimeters, pack, box, set, or dozen, discount, and any applicable taxes. The total amount will be calculated automatically. If required, add shipping charges, terms and conditions, or any additional notes. Your saved company profile, logo, signature, and bank details will automatically appear on the invoice. This feature is already on it. If you want, you can disable it. Before proceeding, click Preview all the information carefully. Verify the customer details, product information, pricing, taxes, and payment details to ensure everything is accurate. Once everything has been verified, click Save to create the invoice. After saving, mark the invoice as reviewed. You can download it as a PDF or send the invoice directly to your customer via email or schedule the email to be sent at your preferred time. The invoice module also helps you organize and manage your records efficiently. You can view your invoices under Draft Invoice, Reviewed Invoice, Expired Invoice, and Deleted Invoice. Congratulations! Your invoice has been created successfully and is now ready to share with your customer. Thank you for watching.